was a kid, I dreamed about basketball.
I wanted to be a dentist.
From the time I was in grade 6, I wanted to be a paratrooper in the military.
I wanted to be different.
I wanted to be a pharmacist. Lawyer, doctor.
An actress or a singer.
I wanted to be a rock star.
Professional hockey player. Dreamt of being a cowboy.
Well, I got frustrated by the prospect of 12 plus years of school, and
life got in the way.
One thing led to another, and I'm doing a desk job.
I never think I was going to do network marketing.
Not a chance. I really had no opinion about it.
Never.
No.
I've heard about network marketing, but like Bob said, there was never anything out there that had interested us.
I find with network marketing that people just sometimes don't understand it.
once they explained what it was all about and what the product was all about, it just made sense to me.
People sometimes think the people at the top make all the money. But when I looked at it and really understood the model, I realized that somebody that came in after me could make a lot more money than I did.
I get asked all the time if this is selling, and I don't consider myself a salesperson at all. I can get excited about something, and if I am excited, I go out and I tell everybody about it.
It's not a sales pitch. This is just a great product that you're getting out there, you're sharing with people.
I changed my mind because I found a product that I believe in, because I see how easy it is to share.
Nothing's that simple in life, and finally I found something that just made sense.
We get to choose who we want to work with, so we work with our very best friends, and we get to do that every day.
It's allowed me to do the things that I want to do in life, spend more time with my family. Some people get to be dads at night. I get to be dads all day.
The thing I love about Youth Juice is Youth Juice itself. I would be taking it even if there wasn't a business associated with it.
I love everything about Youth Juice. I love the fact that it actually works. I love the fact that it tastes great, that my entire family, from my kids to my grandmother, are able to use Youth Juice, and it makes them healthier.
As a mom, you want to do the best for your kids and the family, and I think with Youth Juice, I know that every day my kids are being healthy.
YJ gives my clients, my athletes, my family, everything that we need to fill the gaps in our diet.
It's helped me with my muscle strength, endurance, and recovery.
And I struggled my whole life not being able to breathe throughout the summer. It feels like I'm free now to be able to do the things that I want to do outside with my kids, play on the grass.
I feel we're a much tighter family unit.
There's a huge fun factor in this business that we just didn't have in our life.
Personally, Youth Juice has given me an opportunity to stay at home with my son.
We spent 6 weeks in California as a family, and you know what, there's not very many opportunities that allow us to be able to do that.
To do the things we want to do, go golfing, go traveling.
It's exciting to me to be able to share an opportunity like this with the people that I care about and have fun doing it.
Gained the ability to spend a lot more time with my wife instead of just coming home at the end of the day and being stressed and looking through her. Public speaking might be everybody's worst fear, and that's one thing that I've really noticed in my personal development with YJ, is that not only am I okay with getting up in front of 100 people and speaking to them, I actually look forward to it.
I have my life back. I really do.
And now I have an opportunity to not be as busy and to get some of my time back and do the things that I really want to do.
And because of Youth Juice, financially I have residual income. And along with that comes freedom, fun. I'll tell you, I never thought I was going to be driving a BMW 750 Li.
We have a residual income that comes to us every single week. We go to the mailbox, open it up, and there's a YJ check.
We have a couple new vehicles. We've been able to buy a bunch of real estate.
And so now, very short period of time, a year later, I don't have a job anymore. I'm retired. I'm 39. It's crazy.
Well, I'm driving a free car.
I drive a free BMW M5. We've been able to drive a free car, which is fantastic. Freedom to do what I want, when I want.
I would agree that YJ is the best product we can use, and in saying that, the other side of that coin is it's therefore the best business. The integrity of both are second to none.
This is the best business in the world.
You got to do it.
Youth Juice, best business in the world.
We love Youth Juice!
I love YJ.
I love YJ.
We love YJ!